In this video, I'd like to show you how to make a mock-up image using Wall App. This is a pretty cool tool. It's an online tool. It's free to use. And it has a couple of features that I think you're going to find really useful. The first one is, as you can see, you can upload an image of a room. Say if you'd like to show a client how a particular work of art is going to look in their setting, ask them to send you a photograph of their space, the intended space. And as you can see, you can just upload it here. So let me find that image. Let's say this is what they've sent you. Now the next step is simply to drag your artwork over on top of this particular image. So in this case, no, I don't want that one actually. I want the one without the frame. So I'm going to reset the artwork and I'm going to try again. As you can see, all you need to do is drag and drop it into place, and then you can adjust the size so that it's as close as possible to the actual size of your original artwork. Put it in place, and when you're happy with the placement, all you have to do then is download the file. Now let me show you. I'm going to reset the room because we're going to start over and try something else. We're going to reset the artwork as well. I'm going to look through these images. I have an illustration that I'd like to show in a children's room. So here's the photograph I've chosen from their selection. And now all I have to do is drag and drop the artwork into place and then move it until I'm happy with the size and the placement. That looks about right. And then just save the file. And it's downloaded the file as a JPEG image. So you can take that and use it on your website or on social media or whatever. So I hope you find this website useful.